Drumi.
What the heck was that? But anyways.
Okay. Oh, it feels so good.
I know it feels so.
2.5 weeks later.
That somebody just couldn't handle it. They thought it was going to get here 2 years later. Let's just do it. We're jumping right into the unboxing.
Okay.
This is Christmas. This is Christmas.
Come on, jump over there.
Bossy.
No, not bossy. Not bossy, okay?
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
Hopefully the directions are somewhere in here.
No, they're not.
Shoot.
Oh.
Okay.
They can't see that. We got to bring it in so they can see it. Okay, so it's very portable.
So we just read through the manual and we know how to use it. What comes in the box is this manual.
Hose. Oh, the washer. I do think you can reach that.
Oh, this is the little washer thingy.
It helps for safely secure. And then backup parts and a tool, a nifty tool.
It's like the Allen tool.
It's an Allen wrench.
Allen wrench. So this is the handle, and to open it you have to...
It's fine, it's fine. Now it's unlocked, so you can open it like that.
Oh!
Opens up like that.
Oh!
So this is where you put your water.
So what's cool about this is this measures out 4 liters,
4 liters
of water, and this contains 8 liters of water total. And so then when you pedal, you shouldn't pedal when it's open. And you shouldn't turn it when it's, like it says to turn it this way, so you should only turn it that way.
Go ahead, open it up. I want to see.
I forgot how it said to do this.
Don't be afraid. It's either righty-tighty or lefty-loosey.
Ooh. Oh!
Oh, man. Let's see what else in here.
Okay, so this is like the little cup where you put detergent, and then in the Drumi you put your clothes in there. Oh! And so in here it says like, where did it say to put this? Like here?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cute!
Just on the side. It has a little
that.
handle that you just, boom.
Yeah.
That's dope.
So the load recommendations are 1 pair of pants, 2 long sleeve shirts, 4 t-shirts, or 8 underpants, or 16 pairs of socks. So all of that is or.
Yeah.
So you can either have 1 pair of pants with 2 long sleeve shirts, or 4 t-shirts, or 8 underpants, or 16 pairs of socks. Okay.
Will do, yeah. That's it. I can't wait to use it. It's going to be fun. It's going to be fun.
Kind of scary.
We wish we could show you guys a video of us getting our Drumi on, but looks like we got to go and try this bad boy out.
Ready.
Let's do it.